How to see your repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you the process of watching all of the videos that you reposted on your TikTok. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let me quickly show you by reposting first. Once you repost any video, firstly it's going to show up right here that you reposted. But if you scroll away, you cannot find the exact video that you reposted. But however, there is a way that you can view all of your reposted TikToks. For that, tap on your profile icon that you see on the bottom right. And once you do, on the top, you'll be able to see a couple of options. Make sure you tap on this double arrow, which is the repost option. And once you do, you can view all of the videos that you reposted. If you don't yet have this feature, you can try updating your app of TikTok and you should be able to see this repost option on your profile section. You can tap open any video, and if you want to unrepost it, you can again do the same process and you'll see an option of remove repost. And that video will also be removed from this section. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.